I didn't record the other one. Okay, so how can we make a short presentation uh, and lead into a presentation that's highly duplicatable? And especially with people, let's say they've been in networking before, they don't want to hear about another one. They've done 3 or 4 different type of deals, and you're calling them, you're trying to get in touch with them. They don't, as soon as you talk to them about something, they say, I don't want to get involved with anything. Okay, so this would be a very good approach with those kind of people. Okay, and you can use your booklet or you use a PDF, but you're only really going to do 2 things. And I'm gonna pick on Betty again. She's become my favorite girl lately. Betty and I have a lot in common. And I'm gonna call Betty up. I'm gonna say, hey Betty, it's Bob. Hey, look, let's jump on a Zoom. I don't want to hear about, I'm too busy. I don't want to do anything. I've got so many things going on in my life. Look, Betty, I understand. We've been friends for a long time. I just want you to hear me out for a second. Okay. I want to ask you something because it's important. It's important to me because I care about you. I want to ask you a question, just a simple question. How much gold and silver do you physically own in your own hand? Like American Eagle gold coins and American Eagle silver coins. It's real money. How much of it do you own? Do you own about $1,000 worth, $2,000 worth, or do you own any or none? And most people are going to say they don't own any. And so that's why I'm telling you, is because have you seen what's happening? I mean, I care about you, and you worked hard all your life, or you're working hard, and we've been taught the wrong things, and I've learned that just recently. I just want to share with you what I've learned. So let me give you an example. And by the way, have you ever heard of a company called 7K? Oh, you haven't? Well, I understand. Oh, yeah, somebody called you about it. Okay, but that's fine. You at least heard about it. But most people never even heard it. But I did. And here's why. Here's why I want to talk to you about 7K. Because I'm part of 7K. It's kind of like I'm part of Costco. I'm part of Amazon Prime. It's that kind of concept. Amazon Prime. You remember Amazon Prime? You remember Costco? You remember Sam's? Well, I am. And I joined because of the benefits there. And I joined 7K because of gold and silver. Yeah, gold and silver. But more importantly, I joined because it's something bigger than it's being able to help people. And it's being able to help people understand some things we've never been taught. Let me explain. And if I'm with them or if I'm not, we're doing a Zoom, I'm going to show them this piece of paper, even if I don't have it, okay, on a PDF. I said, let me read this to you and see if that resonates with you like it did with me. We believe in you and want to guide you in your journey to creating and protecting true wealth for your family and your legacy because you deserve it. Now, what part of that wouldn't anyone that you know and I know want to be a part of? What part of that would we not want to be a part of? We believe in you and want to guide you in your journey to creating and protecting true wealth for your family and your legacy because you deserve it. That caught my attention. Hopefully it catches yours like it caught mine. It opened up my ears. I wanted to hear more. Hopefully you want to hear more. Let me just give you one more, just the next page right here. It says, we are going to show you how to use the secrets the wealthy have always used to confidently get ahead of the game now and forever. We are 7K. Well, that interested me. I mean, I didn't know what the secrets of the wealthy were. Wouldn't you like to know what they are? And they're so simple. When I found out, I just couldn't believe it was that simple. Wouldn't you want, do you want to know them? I mean, I can tell you, that's what I've been trying to get in touch with. That's what I want to talk to you about. I want to share these secrets with you. I mean, I learned them from 7K and I want to share them with you. Look, I've been fortunate that I've already met the 4 founders of 7K. It's a company not quite 5 years old yet. Started in Idaho Falls. Roger Ball, multi-billionaire. Richard Wayne Hansen, he's a co-founder. He's the person that told Bob Reid about it, and through his group, as I found out about it, a person thought enough of me to tell me about 7K, and I fortunately I listened, or I was just like you. I didn't even want to hear anything, and then I finally opened up my ears just to hear, and gee whiz, was my eyes opened. But listen to this. The 7K founders on a mission to change the world. I mean, who wouldn't want to be a part of a force for good to change the world? They have 100 years of successful business experience. They have changed multiple industries for the better. They have a passion for helping the average person get ahead. Who wouldn't want to be part of that? I want to help people. I know you do too. I know you like helping people. But man, when we can help people and help ourselves at the same time, there's nothing better than that. I mean, they're already multimillionaires. They don't need to do this to make money. They are helping us learn what they have learned. Let me read you their mission. It's called their mission statement. And it's really why I'm calling you. It's really why I'm wanting to get in touch with you. We've created 7K because we genuinely want to improve the lives of people around the world. We have watched way too many people of our friends struggle as the economy fluctuates, employment issues arise, or unexpected changes come up in life. That's what's happening. And it's happening more and more. Look what we're on the precipice of. Our state of our economy, the global economy right now. They want to help us. I want to hear. I hope you do too. I want to share what they're sharing with us. Using the power of gold and silver, we believe we can provide a way for people to create financial independence. Who wouldn't want to be a part of that? Preserve their wealth. Don't you want to preserve what wealth you've worked hard all your life for, or what you're working hard for? Depends on who you're talking to, which one of those statements you use. And live an exceptional life. Who doesn't want to live an exceptional life? We started this company because we believe in you. You know, I want to be a part of a force for good. I want you to be a part of it with me, but you don't know what I'm talking about. I want you to be open-minded enough to get enough information to make an informed decision yourself. So let's watch a little video together, or I'm going to send it to you. You watch it and let's talk. And don't just do one video. Make sure you get all your questions answered. Make sure you get a thorough investigation of what we're talking about here, because I want you to be on my team. I want you to hook arms with me. I want to hook arms with you. I think we can help in fact, I know we can help lots of people. And in the process, we get to help ourselves and build a family legacy for our family, our children's children. So I'm going to send you a video. You watch it. Let's talk. Thank you.